Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon. Even the ones that we order and then they show up in a bag. It's clearly not what we ordered, so much so that I have no idea which listing it was. This is what happened. These are the pains of ordering hundreds of masks at once. But here we are. I'm just so excited to test this one because this is like just a really poor job at faking something, and that just, well, that's just what gets me going. So let's open up the Korean version, KF94, made in China. And I'll talk about all the reasons why I'm laughing, and you can judge me. So this is a very not good looking mask. I think we did a mask like this before. In the beginning, when I was testing all these KF94s, I was like, you know what's so great about the KF94 is that no one copies them. There's no counterfeit. So you just know if you get a KF94 that it's going to be a good mask. And then I started getting all these Chinese fakes that are not KF94s. All right, let's get this thing going and we'll talk about why. All right, so a KF94, Korean KF94, has to be made in Korea. This is clearly not made in Korea. Even though, does it even say where it's made? Well, yeah, can I see the certificate? So inside there's a certificate that tells me where it's made, which is in China. It's made by the Wankang Protective Equipment Co. Limited. So they're already lying there because all KF94s have to be made in China. Also, they're saying the executive standard is GB 2626-2019, which is the KN95 standard. So they're like, it's a Korean version, KF94, KN95, which is pretty funny to me because I'm lame. Also, on a KN95, so even if we judge them by that standards, you would need to say KN95, you need to have the manufacturer name, and you need to say GB 2626-2019. So they're breaking the KF94 standard and the KF95 standard. The question is that going to translate to something on this machine? We'll see. Oof. Do you see that? Like stuff blew out. Oh wow, that's horrible. You know, this is what happens with people who are like faking stuff. They just don't make a good product. There's like fluff in the air. I'm actually kind of nervous to put this on my face. Maybe someone sent this to me to kill me. This is very weird. This is a first for me. This smells like dehydrated peanut butter, which may mean that I'm losing my mind. We'll see. I did this before to a fake KF94. Okay, that's not bad. Oh, that's pretty bad. The whole thing just comes apart. Okay, see, it should tear like that. But the top part, did you see that? It just came right off. Was it the top? No, that was the bottom. The bottom just like came right off. See? That shouldn't happen. But the top, a little bit harder. That's not good. It's not a good construction. The question is, does it protect you? The KF94, the 94 in KF94, and the 95, because they're claiming both, but obviously lying about both, means 95, 94%. What does this say? Well, they're not lying about that. I mean, they could have. It would have proven my point better, so you got me, Korean version, on that one. That fabric's good. 97.188, 97.188. What was the breathability? Breathability was 201, which is a little high for me. I like to see things under 150 pascals. For me, that's going to be comfortable to wear for 8 hours plus. 200 is still within the KN95 standard, so they're not violating that. But still, guys, just buy a real KF94 from Korea. You're going to be happy. Super affordable. They come individually packaged. They look great. They feel great. Support the OGs and go with that. If you like this style, do that. That's my recommendation. Don't buy the knockoffs. You're really not going to save that much money. Plus, I have no idea where we bought these from because they just showed up. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next test.